Welcome to Krisha Transpower India Private Limited, manufacturer and exporter of hex nut bolts. The company was established in 2008 at Pune. International quality standards and ethical business policies help us to achieve a present repute in the market. Client-centric approach, flexible payment options, and market-leading prices are some of the key factors behind our success. We offer a wide assortment of foundation bolts, distribution line fabrication services and hexagonal bolts for constructions. Industrial, foundation bolts and screws offered by us are well known for their durability. Industrial nuts, fasteners, and bright bars are in huge demand across the global markets. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing stay sets and fully threaded studs that are extremely reliable. Distribution line fabrication services and hexagonal bolts for constructions are highly efficient. Our clients can avail from us an exquisite range of hex screw for electrical, hardware industries and forged bolt for sewing machines that are cost-effective. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.krishapower.com.